Hello everybody, my name is Jalia for S7 Juliet Lima. Today I will like to show you how to send a DSC on your Furuno Fox Sierra 2571 Charlie. As you see now, my radio is on scanning mode, scanning all the distress frequencies plus routing DSC channels. So let's go ahead. To send a DSC, you need the other ship's MMSI number. You have to push DSC. Now there are two menus. One is on general, other one is on distress. So from like a drop down menu, you can select what sort of a message you like to send. So we will send a test message. Now we have to type the station ID. By pushing the enter button, it's giving either manually enter or you can select. If the MMS ID number is already inside your Furuno, you can select by going to the select menu. Otherwise you have to enter manually. So I don't have, I push manual. Now I'm entering the MMS ID number 538007515. Enter. Com frequency, DSC frequency I am sending on 2187.5. Okay, it's good. We are fairly close by. And by enter, you can see acknowledgement requested. So the other vessel will send acknowledgement, so you can print out and keep it for the port state and other authorities and for your references. When you are ready to send, need to push call button. Testing message in progress. Waiting for the acknowledgement. So test message acknowledgement received. So we are all good. You can hear the my MFH chipset is also giving an alarm, and I already get the printout from the printer. So thank you very much for the nice video 73, and hope to see you down the log. This is for S7 jail. Bye bye.